This morning we drove to Gulpen and parked close to the bus station. From the bus station we're walking today to the ZuidLimburg in Vaals, where Germany, Belgium and the Netherlands meet. I can see in the far distance already where we need to go to. Let's go! We walked 5 kilometers, we're close to Veilen and we're here at the Mechelderbeek or the Mechelder stream. We have to do another 9.5 kilometers and then we will reach the ZuidLimburg. Let's go! We are following the border route or the grensroute. On one side is Belgium, the other side is the Netherlands. And one time you're with one leg in Belgium, the other time with one leg in the Netherlands. Let's continue. So I'm here at the ZuidLimburg in Vaals. There just was a protest against nuclear energy with people driving on their e-bikes. Maar goed. We walked 15 kilometers, first through farmland, then we went into the Veilenerbos, and through the Veilenerbos we walked all the way up to here about 10 kilometers through that forest. Just think about it. So the highest point in the Netherlands, three countries getting together over here. Famous since I was a child. Now, let's continue. I hope to see you again soon.